if you want to install Dynamic Island on Nothing Phone 3a, we need to go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for Dynamic Spot. This is an app that we can install on our phone that provides us the Dynamic Island. It looks pretty much the same as on iPhone devices, and it has some customization options as well, so we can adjust it to our needs. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So let's go next. Over here we need to go through this list. So first we need to select apps that will be working with the Dynamic Island. So of course we can select all of them or just select the list of apps. I'm gonna select all of them and then we can go back. Now let's go to notification access. Here we need to select Dynamic Spot and allow notification access. Press allow, then draw on screen and press allow, and then once again tap on draw on screen and this time go next. Over here we want to go to Dynamic Spot and enable it and press allow. Alright, now it is done. We can close this. And notifications are enabled. We can also go to position in order to take a look how the Dynamic Island looks like right now. So as you can see, it is a little bit off. I want it to be like synchronized with the camera, or at least be positioned with the camera correctly. So what we can do is we can change the vertical position, something like this, maybe a little bit lower, maybe like that. And of course we can also change the horizontal size so that it is a little bit wider. For example, something like maybe a little bit less. There we go, something like this. And of course feel free to adjust it to your own needs. So this is how it looks like. And now if you receive a notification, as long as the app was selected from the notification list on the app, you should be able to have the Dynamic Island. If you want to still customize, then of course you can find the app, for example, in the app drawer and still make some changes. And if you have system pop-ups, so the default pop-ups that you may have on this phone, you may try this app over here, Block System Pop-ups, with the Pop-up Control app that is also for free, and I believe we can get it from the Play Store. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.